So by the 12th of September in the morning, I made a $0.70. Was I disappointed? Not really. Like, I wasn't expecting miracles, of course. So the first day I made $0.7, literally, and like I was excited to see money. Kind of video, and I'm making this video like because I promised myself that after monetization, after I get monetized, I'm going to make a meaningful video that is not a billion minutes long for whoever wants to know. So like before I was monetized, like a month before then, like I knew I was going to be monetized, so I was checking online like how much can I make, how much are people making, like is it a lot, is it a little, can I just become a billionaire from YouTube in 1 week? I wanted answers, but I didn't really find them. Yes, there are lots of videos on YouTube about how much somebody made after monetization, a month after monetization, a year after monetization, and all of that. But most of these videos are like 50,000 minutes long, and like when you try to fast forward it, you might miss something, or you like over fast forward, or it's just very tiring. At the end of the day, like you've watched 10 videos but you didn't really find out much. So I don't know if this video is going to help you. So today I decided I'm going to make a video, yeah? It's not going to be more than 5 minutes. And I'm going to make sure I tell you guys the first day after monetization, how much I made, how many subscribers, and how many views per month I normally have, because that determines how much you're making. The second day, how much I made. The first week, how much I made. And the first month, how much I had made. And right now, I've been monetized for about 45 days, and how much I have made, okay? So you can be informed. Of course, it's going to differ depending on your kind of content, depending on how much views you have. I'm going to give you all of this information, and I'm not going to waste your time, I promise. Okay, so stay tuned and let's look at my laptop. Okay, guys, so I don't know how to make this kind of videos where like you can see the person's screen and like you can still see their faces. I don't know. I shoot and edit with my phone, so there's a limit to how much I can do, but I'm not going to waste your time, and I'm going to give you the information you need, but you might not be able to see my screen. But I have some screenshots to show you guys though, so I'm going to include that in the video. Okay, so the first thing was, okay, I got monetized on the 11th of September 2020, of course 2020. Okay. And at that time I had about 1,921 subscribers on that day. Like when I woke up in the morning, like I was excited, yeah. I had about 1,921 subscribers, yeah. And that day it took 24 hours for me to see the amount of money I was making. So by the 12th of September in the morning, I made a $0.70. Was I disappointed? Not really. Like I wasn't expecting miracles, of course. So the first day I made $0.7, literally, and like I was excited to see money. Because imagine, I've been doing this for a year. Like to see some results was exciting. It was tiny amount of money, but it was exciting. Okay, so and at that time I had about 29.2 thousand views per month, which means literally I had about 29,000 views per month, like on the average on like that month, yeah. So like with 29,000 views on the first day I made $0.70. On the second day when I woke up, which was on the 13th of September, I had made $1.29, which means 1.29 minus 0.7. I made less. I made less the next day. What? Like some days differ. I don't know how it works, but how you know you're growing is if the money you're making per day is increasing. Let's say today you made 0.2, tomorrow you make maybe 0.5, or you get, yeah, that's how you know your channel is growing and stuff. And also another thing that determines how much view, I'm not going to fill this video with yama stuff and let it be 1 billion minutes long. Another thing that gives you that affects the amount of views you have is I didn't know this on time, is the country they're watching from. So like the country, 16% of my viewers at this time, 16% of my viewers were from the US, and that was the second highest number. The highest number was 18%, and that was India. But I made more money from the US at the end of the day. Anyways, by the end of the first week, after 7 days, I had made $11.8. If you notice, it's increasing, which means at this point, if you divide 11.8 divided by 7, I made around over $1 point something per day. So which means I'm growing, like the channel is growing and stuff. So the first day I made $0.7. The second day I made at the second day, that's of course you're adding it together. At the second day, my money was already $1.29. On the seventh day, after 7 days, my money was $11.8, which means it's growing. Yeah. Okay. So after the first month, yeah. What did I write here? Okay, after the first month, on the 11th of October, at that time I had about 30,000 views per month, which means my views are growing. Remember when I got monetized, I had 29.2 thousand views. Now I had about 30,000 views per month. Yeah. So with 30,000 views and 2,200 subscribers, I made that first month I made $75.87, which means on the average per day I made $2.5. It's exciting, it's wonderful. It might not be a lot of money to you guys, but I liked the fact that I'm working and I can see and there is potential for growth. So the first day I made 0.7, second day 1.29. After 1 week I had made $11.8, about $12. And after a month, after 28 days, I had made $75.87, about $76. So now I had been monetized for 45 days exactly today when I'm shooting this video, yeah. And the money on my account right now is about $119.1. It's exciting, my money is increasing. Okay, so I hope this video is useful to you, and maybe it's not going to be the same thing for you, of course, because your content, the amount of money you make depends on who is watching, the country they're watching from, if they're watching all of your adverts and stuff. So I'm just giving you guys a clue of, I'm just giving you guys how much I made, maybe to give you a clue how much you can make as well. So after 45 days, I have made it about $120 with 30,000 views per month. Yeah, I hope that's useful to you and I didn't waste your time. Thank you guys so much, and I'm going to put the receipt or the pictures down below in the video. I don't know how I'm going to edit this video because I'm not like a guru in editing. Anyways, thank you guys, and I hope this video was useful to you. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.